this video we are going to draw a basic Christmas tree using lines and shapes. So get your paper and your pencil and you're going to hold your paper vertical. The first lines that we're going to do is we're going to draw an upside down V right in the middle of your paper like that, up high. Okay, then from this point to this point we're going to draw some small letter U shapes and connect as many as you can from there to there. Alright, next shape you're going to do is you're going to draw a diagonal line going down. So put your pencil right in the middle of this first curve and go down. And then you're going to put your pencil on this side, diagonal line going down like that. Alright, so then from this point to this point, we're going to draw some curved lines like that and connect as many as you need to. And then the last row, you're going to put your pencil on this one, another diagonal going down, put your pencil on this one, diagonal going down, and now you're going to do the same thing, repeat all the way across, as many as it takes to connect. Alright, next shape we're going to draw, next line is going to be right in the middle of your tree, two parallel lines. Okay, then you're going to do a smiley face right under the two parallel lines, put your pencil on this end, curve going out, straight down, and smiley face from this point to this point. Okay, now we're going to do the lights. Put your pencil on this end of the tree and we're going to make some wavy lines going across your tree, whichever direction you want, and then you stop at the end of this tree. Alright, in between the wavy lines we're going to do some circles. So fill your tree up with ornaments anywhere where there's some space. And then the last step we're going to do is on the lines, we're going to do a smiley face and a frown face for the lights. Smiley face, frown face, and you're going to do it on this side too. So now you fill up some space, smiley face, frown faces. And that is your Christmas tree with ornaments and Christmas lights. So fill up your lights and your ornaments. Now get your color pencils, your crayons, or your markers and color your Christmas tree. And hopefully you had fun drawing this very simple how to draw a Christmas tree with lines and shapes.